So yeah. So hello all, and thank you for joining in for this webinar. My name is Vikram Gavli, and I am the host for today. In today's webinar, we are going to dive into the upcoming features of Odoo version 17 and explore new functionalities that Odoo is going to offer in its new version. So today we have with us Mr. Vinod Kumar, who is a project manager at Pragmatic Techsoft, who is going to take us through the upcoming features of Odoo 17, version 17. And we have Vignesh Shankar, who is International Business Development Lead at Pragmatic Techsoft, who is going to take us through of some of the interesting offers which Pragmatic has for those who want to explore Odoo for their businesses. So welcome, Mr. Vinod and Mr. Vignesh. I hope
Hi,
you're doing
Vikram.
well.
Yeah,
Yes,
really.
yes, doing well, doing great. So excited for this.
Yeah, even we are. Yeah. So before we dive into our webinar, I quickly want to introduce you to our company, Pragmatic Techsoft. So we are a leading Odoo service provider based out in India, and we are in this market since last 16 years. So we provide basically Odoo implementation, customization, and consulting services. And I take this pride in telling this that yesterday is the day that we have completed our 16 years into this industry. It was our Pragmatics Foundation Day yesterday, and we are associated with Odoo since their version 4, which makes us the oldest Odoo associates in the world. Also, one of the oldest companies in India who is working with Odoo since so long. Uh, Also, these last 16 years, we have developed more than 170 plus Odoo products, which are for various industries like healthcare, construction, travel and tourism, hospitality, and so on. All these products are present on Odoo App Store. You can definitely go and check it out. Moving back to the webinar, we are thrilled to guide you through the expected features of Odoo's upcoming release. This is going to be the sneak peek. Basically, we have designed this to ignite your curiosity and get you excited about the advancement what Odoo is going to offer. And also, we are going to explore some of the possibilities. We are going to imagine the efficiencies and prepare for the innovation that could reshape your business operations. So, it doesn't matter whether you are a seasoned Odoo user, whether you are a new or you don't know what Odoo is, or you are new to this ecosystem. There is something you're going to gain from this today's webinar, insight on basically on Odoo. Without any further ado, I would like to hand over the stage to Mr. Vinod, who is going to take us through the upcoming features what Odoo is going to offer very soon. So over to you, Mr. Vinod.
Sure, Vikram. Thank you. Thanks for the introduction.
Yeah,
And it's a very nice opportunity to go through the Voodoo version 17 features. It's now the Voodoo 17. It's really the look and feel, the UI designs, and
correct,
the optimization. All things are really very nicely structured now.
correct.
Now we will go through. I share my screen and go through each and every improvements. I will show you to
Correct.
all,
Yes.
and I present my screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, I can. Before just a second, Vinod. I guess there are some people who can't hear us.
Okay, okay.
I guess Arun is there. So Arun, can you hear us? Please comment down. The session has actually started. So I guess there is some voice issue which people are facing. So everybody, can you just comment down if you can't hear us? Is it only from their side or everybody is like they can't hear us or something like that? So yeah, are we audible, guys?
Yes, simply we are able to hear each other.
Yes, we are. Okay, I guess there is a delay. Okay, got it. We have one question from Ehsan. Ehsan, yes. I guess Vinod would be the right person to answer. Yes, we do an Odoo implementation for manufacturing. We will discuss this once we have a Q&A session where you can put your questions to us if you have any, and definitely we will be happy to answer those. Once we will go with the features basically, and once we are done with that, sure we can answer all your questions. So yes, so yeah, Vinod, please you can
Sure.
continue.
Yeah. So you see the comparison of Ubuntu 16 and 17, the lot of UI designs. The screen is the UI and UX design is really amazing.
Okay.
The most of the things is the redesigned user interface with the modernized graphics and fresh colors. Okay, so that is
Mhm.
happening in this, and the most of the things the changes like the optimizations. Okay, so you see if you click this sales, then how much speed it will come. Okay, and the record, if you click the particular record, it will be immediately open that. So the optimization is happening, so it's a more improvement in the optimization. That is one of the future. And the latest version has the consolidated search interfaces. So for example, if I go to sales, in the
Mhm.
sales module, here we are able to see the search button. Before, it's very difficult. It's a separable filters, group by, and favorites. Each and everything is separable. If you click here, and the group by will be changed, and if you add in group by, the filter is changed. Now you see, it's each and everything is very easily to maintain. Okay, so the filters
Correct.
and group by, and you are also able to add the favorites. So it's all things are consolidated in one view, so it is easily manageable. So that is one very nice feature here added in the Odoo 17. So other
Mhm.
than that, the important feature is the draggable wizards. It's very convenient for users. The draggable wizards, before what happened, if you go to sales, and if I click, for example, if I go here, and if I create an invoice, then what happened? You are not able to move the particular wizard. Every time we need to show the what things are in back. It is very difficult to see. Now you are able to see the drag and drop feature, so you are
Okay.
easily drag and see the features here. Okay, so this is applicable for all the modules, all the forms and modules. So this is one very nice features added in the Odoo 17. Okay,
Okay.
and the another very good feature is in the sale orders, in the quotation list. So before, what happened, if I need to select some of the sale order and need to export, or I need to any action, what before it's we need to select each and everything like this. So it's very difficult to select and do it. Now they are added in keyboard settings. Okay, for
Okay.
example, if I select this particular line and I need to shift down and up arrow, so if I click shift down arrow, automatically it will be selected. So it's a very nice feature, and it's very good for the users, because the users, the sales team or purchase team, whoever it's working, it's everyday life. It's very difficult. Each and everything using the mouse, it's selected. It will be very difficult. Now it's a very nice feature, and the same thing, the deselect functionality also applied. So the both selection and deselection functionality added using the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, it's a one
Okay.
of the very good feature added. And one more thing, here if I go to this form, before the print option, all the options are here. So it's unwantedly show, even if you need to use or not use, it will be shown here. So it will be not needed. So, but if you see, all the features are added in this particular gear icon. So the print
Okay.
or duplicate or whatever it is you need, all the details are added in this gear icon. So if you need to print, you are able to print. Because it is, if needed, we will use. So that's the reason they are added like this. Okay, this is one of the nice feature, and yes, and the freezed the header columns. So the users to understand what values are there. So if I go back to the quotation, so the this particular column in the previous versions, what happened? It's every time if you go down, it will be hidden. Okay. But
Okay.
now, if you see, it will be shown. Even if you go down, this the top columns will be shown for the users. Okay, this is one
Okay.
of the features added in this Odoo 17. And
Mm-hmm.
other than that, yes. So if I go to the meetings, if I go to the discuss or meetings, if I start a meeting, here there is an option. There is a raise hand option. In the previous versions, this option is not available. So this one feature also added. So the raise hand option.
Okay.
Um, so this one feature. And other than that, I need to discuss about in the form you print option we discussed the smart button. So if I go back to the sales module, these options, for example, if I go to other smart buttons, so if you see the delivery smart buttons, before the smart buttons are visualized inside the particular form view. So it will be the design, it will be they upgrade the designs pattern. So they are added all the smart buttons in top. So that is one feature they are added. And in the employee, before what happened in the employee module, if I go to the employee uh, master. So if I open the particular employee, so before the resume is there, but we are not able to print the particular resume. So now in this particular Voodoo 17, the print resume option is added. That is also one important feature, and it's really excellent feature for the HRT. So this is one of the good feature, and like this many features are added. And the feature like before in the previous versions the appointment and calendar are in the same module, but they are separated now, the appointments and the calendar. If you go the appointment and see the view how much fast, you see before it will be very little bit slowness. In the 17 version it's very fast, so it's a very upgraded. And the module also it will be separated, the appointments we are able to see separately, and the same time the calendar view it will be separated. So this is also the one new feature it is added in the Odoo 17. And here you see there is a to do option. In the previous versions they are added notes. Now they change the name as to do. In the to do also they are changing some of the features, like if you go to do, and for example I am added what are all the things I need plan for the day. So these are all the to do I am added like this. If I need to change this particular to do into my task, so that is convert to task. So automatically the today's activities to do converted into task. That option also added. This is a very good feature to be added in the Odoo 17. And the other features such as if I go to sales, the sales module, if I create a new button, so in before what happened, we need to add a product and select this and each and everything we need to choose. It will be the a little bit complicated for the users, so that understand by the Odoo team and give one very good solution. If you click the catalog, before that we need to choose the customer. After the choosing the customer, if I click the catalog, it navigate to the this way of approach. So we are
Oh,
easily
okay.
choose the products, okay, and we are also choose the attributes also. It's easily filters, and based on the size, weight, each and everything we are able to manage. For example, I need to add some of the products like this. So if I add, so if I need to go back to the sales, just to go to sales, it will be added automatically. It is a new feature. Every time we don't need to select and check and search more. Many things we need to do before. Now it's very easy just to go and add. Just add the details. That's it. So if I go back to this, then automatically it will be added. So it's a one feature, it's a nice feature is added. The same thing for the inventory users. The inventory users also is very happy to see this feature in the inventory module. In the operations, before we have only transfers, all the receipts, deliveries, manufacturing, each and everything we need to filter manually and check. Now you see receipts, deliveries, manufacturing, each and everything is separated, drop ships also. So if I click the receipts, only receipts will show. So if I go to deliveries, the deliveries will show. So it's a auto filtered based on the convenience. So if I go to manufacturing, all the manufacturing will show. So this way of future also added. So this is very easy for the inventory users. So in the daily basis, they don't need to filter and check, go to dashboard. All the things are reduced. The works are reduced. So this is one features, and so mostly I covered all the features in the Odoo 17.
Okay, okay, that was a great insight on the features basis. So I have certain questions from my side. So, what do you think, Vinod? What was the in this new version? What is the main thing which Odoo has focused? Is it an UI UX first? Of course, there has been a very changes, like basically the color themes has been changed. So, what was the particular focus was made by Odoo in this version 17? Is what you feel for?
Sure, there are three things, Vikram. The
Hmm.
first thing is the UI UX design is completely changed. Okay, this is
Correct.
very good for
Correct.
the user view and very easy to understand. That is one thing they added, and the optimization. So the fastness, if you see, if you click the
Speed.
yeah, speed is improved. That is optimized the functionality. If you click the menu or if you click the any feature, it will be very fast and show the details. Okay, that is one thing. Third thing, the functionality. Okay, so based on the they understand the problems of the users. Okay, so for
Okay.
example, I show you the inventory side. So the receipts, deliveries, each and everything for the inventory users, they go and check. It will be very difficult to do these things. So now it is very easy for them. So all are separable. The invert separately, outward separately, manufactured, and
Mhm.
so all are separate. So they easily click and see all the details. That is
Oh.
the functional and module also they are improving lot. And other than that, you see the sales perspective. Okay, in
Mhm.
before it is very difficult. They need to click each and every product and they need to check what type of variant. It's a blue color or red color. So what
Mhm.
things in they need to. It's a very lot of works before. Now you see there is add the fantastic future. It's a catalog option. Okay, so we just
Okay.
click and add the item like whatever we are doing before in website. The same way we
Mhm.
just add the numbers and immediately it will be appeared things. So these are all
Correct.
the very nice feature. The three things they are focused. One is UI UX designs, optimization
Mhm.
really very good, and the user's perspective also the functional wise also it's improved. It's really very nice. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, one last question from you from my side is, whatever changes you are seeing, anyways, you are working on Odoo as well since long time, and whatever changes they have come up with in this version, do you think they have done a justice to a person using Odoo? Because whatever problems you might be facing, have they taken every little thing into consideration while launching this version, or while they are still optimizing on this version? So, has your all the difficulties or queries has been answered by Odoo in this version? So, on that.
It's out of 100, 80% is satisfied because it's every version by version you see the voodoo
Mhm.
they done the tremendous job. So every time, for example, the people are using voodoo 16, they are facing some of the issues. What they are doing, they are posting. They are posted these things are not happen. These things it will be little difficult. We need to change. It will be tremendous approach. So many things they are check all the feedback. So they are improving lot things in the Voodoo 17. But in still some of the things people are expected. So but they are getting the feedbacks and the next version they will change accordingly based on that. But most of the things are satisfied. But the basic business using this Voodoo, it will be possible. Okay, the at almost all the business vertical it will be covered. If it is
Mhm.
not there in future, they will surely add those features.
Okay, okay. So yeah, so that's it from my side. That was a great insight on Odoo, and thank you, Vinod, for these insights
Sure.
on these features. I hope this was helpful for our viewers, and if anyone has any questions regarding this, they can definitely ask us in the comment section, and we'll be happy to answer your questions as well. So we have a Q&A round for that. So before we dive into that Q&A round, there is one more thing we I would like to introduce to you. So we have a special offer basically for those attendees who are looking to explore Odoo in their business operations. As a part of our foundation day, the Pragmatics Foundation Day, we have come up with this offer. And Vignesh would like to tell you about what this offer is all about and how it will be helpful for your business. So I would like to give the stage to Vignesh. So over to you, Vignesh. Please feel free to talk. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you. I think it was a fantastic presentation. I think we learned a lot about what are the things that's been going on. Now,
Thank
as
you.
Vikram had rightly pointed out, yes, it's the Foundation Day at Pragmatic, so we have a Foundation Month special offer. Now, this is only and exclusively for the attendees of this webinar today. So this is our way of showing, appreciation for your time and commitment. So what we're going to do is we're going to present something called Odoo VIP offer. Now, what you can do is you can purchase 120 hours of Odoo VIP success packs, and but the price of it you'll just have to pay 80 hours of it. Now, 120 hours of Odoo VIP success packs at the price of 80 hours. So these will include premium support, priority customization, and faster implementation. So why would you settle for 80 when you can actually have 120 hours of expert support, customization, business analysis, and more at the same price? So I think this is a fantastic opportunity that you will not want to miss. But you know what? I'm not even done with this offer yet. Here's another bonus. So all of you who would like to opt this offer will also be getting 1 hour of one-on-one business consultation with Odoo experts that is worth $100 for free. Let me remind you all everybody who would like to opt this offer will get 1 hour of one-on-one business consultation with Odoo experts worth $100 for free. This is a unique opportunity, and it is our way of saying thank you to be for being a part of this exclusive webinar. So the way that you sign up for this is drop your mobile numbers and email IDs if you're interested, and our team will be getting in touch with you for this. Do not miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. All you have to do is just drop your mobile numbers, email IDs. Our team will get in touch with you so that you can, discuss further in detail, and we will be at your service. But I'm not done with it just yet. We have just one more offer, and this is very special for the Odoo 17. Now, now that Odoo version 17 is coming, we have something called the Odoo Fast Track offers, Odoo 17 Fast Track offers. So basically, this offer is designed to help supercharge your business in no time. So in 4 weeks, we will implement four Odoo apps of your choice, and and this is a package that is generally valued at say $6,400. But because we're offering you a you spectacular deal, you can grab this fast track package for just $5,000. Yes, yes, $6,400 package. But if you act now, you can get that at the price of $5,000, and you'll be saving over $1,400 in that. But that's not all. We're sweetening even this deal a little further. What we will do is we will be including extra 4 hours of training content absolutely free for this. So picture this: within 4 weeks, you'll have four Odoo apps up and running, tailored to your specific needs, of and all of this at the special price of $5,000 plus 4 hours of training to ensure that you're making the most out of our new tools. But the only thing is that we have very very limited seats for this. We have a lot of we have a lot of people that are going to be signing up for these implementation packs, so we have very limited seats and limited time. So you can secure the slot for this with a tiny investment of $500, which and you will be on your way to transforming your business with the power of Odoo. So what we're gonna do is, I think a colleague of mine will be dropping a link, and we will also a payment link, and we will also be sending it to all of your email IDs. We will be sending you a payment link, and once you have access to that, please secure your slot for a tiny investment of $500. And once you're done with that, then we can be on your way. But don't do not forget, this is a very limited time offer. I think, if I'm not wrong, by the midnight today, the offer will expire, the payment link will expire, and you will not be able to access that anymore. So please ensure that you use the best out of the opportunities that's coming across your way to ensure that your business is on the top of everything. And that's about it from my side. Over to you, Vikram.
Yeah, thank you, Vignesh, for explaining the this opportunity for our people, those who want to get into Odoo. So yeah, so we will open the stage for Q&A round. There are already certain questions we have from people. So I'll take questions one by one. So we have Ehsan. Do you? Ehsan is asking like. Do you have any experience in implementing Odoo for manufacturing companies? So, Vinod or Vignesh, whosoever can answer this. Um, so, yeah.
Okay, I think Vinod can also do.
Sure, sure, Vignesh.
Yeah.
Yes, Vikram. Yeah, we are already done many manufacturing industries. We are separated. We have a very good knowledge regarding the discrete manufacturing and even the process manufacturing. So we are able to manage the different sectors of manufacturing that is possible in Voodoo. Yeah. So the Voodoo, the basic
Okay.
functionality we are able to implement. If they need any more customization based on their business industry, surely we are able to customize it for that. We will guide them how to handle this situation in the consultation call. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So yeah, I guess Ehsan, your question was answered. So if you have any more questions, you can drop your email ID in the comment section. We'll be definitely um, connect with you. And also, and to add, if anybody is interested in this offers what we have currently, and this is only for the attendees, those who have attended this webinar, there is one link in the comment section. You can definitely go and check that link out and fill up your details if you are interested, and we'll be definitely connecting with you and discussing more on that as such. So yeah, so I'll move on to the next question. What do we have? Okay.
Sure.
So I guess Arun Subramaniam, sir, we are very sorry. I don't know what the issue was. Arun sir actually faced a lot of difficulties in webinar because of some issues, video or audio issues. I guess none other than must have faced, like, apart from Mr. Arun. So, anyways, Mr. Arun, this webinar is going to be there on our LinkedIn page. You can definitely check it out again. It will be live. The whole webinar will be there after once this is done. So yeah. So Johan has something to add. So thank you for most. So I'll just put this comment. Yeah. So thank you for most informative. Has there been any update or changes with bank reconciliation features? So anything on this, Vinod? Anything on the features related to bank reconciliation?
Yeah, in the accounting, some of the futures are updated. So basically, in yet they are changing in the accounting. Yet they are not stop the accounting changes. Yet they are doing. Surely in the coming days it will be improved because it's not stable now. So day by day they are improving. But we will update regarding that bank reconciliation feature also. Yeah.
Okay, 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 sure. So yeah, Mr. Johan, if you have any thing need to understand more about this, you can definitely share your email ID in our comment section. We will definitely get in touch with you and to have more further discussion on this. So yeah, we have
I
one
think
more
that.
question.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
Yes.
we have one more question. Did Odoo 17 enhances customer portal UI?
Yes, yes, they are enhanced. Before, what
Okay.
happened in the sale order, invoices, each and everything, it will be one structure, but that is changed. And the customer portal UI also changed. Yes, it's enhanced in the Odoo 17. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And anything related to AI has been done in Odoo because didn't much hear about AI powered insights, is what Gagandeep
Yes,
Singh said.
the AI already in the accounting before each and everything we are create entries. Okay, for example, invoice, billings, each and everything we are create a entries. Okay, but
Okay.
nowadays in 16 also they are doing, but now it is more improved. Okay, just to scan the bill, just scan the bill or whatever it is, automatically the invoice will be created. Automatically the vendor bill will be created. So based on this, that AI portion they are covered excellent way. Yeah, we just provide the information, just install, just for example upload the billing document. Okay, then the
Okay.
particular system captured those, so this customer address, each and everything it captured from there, and automatically updated into the system. That is a very good AI feature they added in 16. In the 17 also it enhanced. Yeah, it's happened. So
Okay.
we don't need to create each and everything in manually. Just
Mhm.
upload the bill, automatically it will be create entries in the Odoo system. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I guess Vignesh wants to say something like, yeah.
Yes. Yes, Vignesh.
No, I was also looking at Mr. Tan's question only, and then I was saying I also wanted to say, Mr. Ehsan and Johan, I would love to get in touch with you to discuss your requirements in detail. So if you could just drop down your contact details, your email IDs, we would love to get in touch with you so that anytime there's any update that we get in which is concerned with your requirements or anything that we could do about it, we will update you as soon as possible. So if you could just drop your contact details, maybe just your email ID, we will get in touch with you.
Yeah, so we have a lot of experience to handle many type of vertical like CRM or the construction related things and the healthcare industry, and so more or less we are covered. So any type of consultation or anything, please contact Pragmatic. Surely we will support you and proceed further. Surely we will help you along.
Yeah. So
Yeah, Vikram. Any other questions, Vikram?
yeah, currently we don't have any. So I'll just ask. So anybody, if you have any questions, please write in our comments section. We are answering all your questions. And if you are not comfortable to answer, ask any questions here, we will leave our email IDs in the comment section. You can definitely get in touch with us, and we can discuss further about your requirement or any questions if you have regarding this webinar, regarding anything about Odoo, for that matter. So yeah. So we have one question regarding the job opportunity for Odoo developers. Currently, we are not in a position to say yes or no to this, but you can definitely check out our careers page if you find anything. So yeah, thank you for that. So thank you, Johan. Thank you, Tan, for giving your email ID. Shortly, we'll get in touch with you to discuss this more further. So yeah, any questions?
Vikram, in case we are running out of time, what we can also do is we just I think I can ask Raj to send our company's email ID in case they require anything, any queries or anything. They can always get in
Yes.
touch with us. So
Yes.
Raj, I will request you to just send our email
Sure.
ID on the chat as well.
I hope I haven't missed any questions from anyone. So yeah. So yeah, there's an email ID which is currently flashing on the screen on the bottom. So you can add, if you have any queries, you can put it on sales@practic.co.in, and we'll be definitely happy to answer your queries or anything. So yeah. So yes, I guess we are done with the webinar. We are done with the Q&A session as well. And thank you everyone for showing the interest and connecting and giving your valuable time to us. It was a great session, and we will be coming up with more such webinars in the future, which is gonna be helpful for you guys with educating yourself with respect to Odoo, as well as also with AI. We have a company called as AI Officer, which is a sister company who is working extensively on AI. So we will have these webinars. So we would like if you could join those webinars in the coming future as well. And we will be happy. If you want to know anything, anything, if you want to have insight on anything, you can surely email us, and we will definitely create one insight full webinar on that as well. So thank you for joining. Thank you, Vinod, and thank you, Vignesh, for joining in and giving us a good insight on the Odoo 17 features, the upcoming features. So yes, so thank you all. Thank you for joining in, and
Thank
see
you.
you next time. Yeah,
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
bye.